Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of the Cardano. So what's going on this time in the Cardano? This time, what is the latest update? Especially in this video, I'm talking about the urgent update of the Cardano, which is very important for all of you. So keep watch this video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, so please subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Anyways, I request everyone to please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. ABS Tech channel update you every time from a new cryptocurrencies news, which is very important for all of you, my friends. So friends, if you look the latest update of the Cardano, so in the market, so you can see here now the latest price of the Cardano and the USD dollar is 1.74 USD dollar is the latest price of the Cardano. On the other side, if you look the market cap, if you look the total supply, available supply and volume, the volume of the Cardano Ada is going increase day by day, hour by hour. And as you know, it is the start of June. So in the start of June, the price is very highly increased and the volume is also increased. So I think in this time, in the start of June and the June Cardano will take a huge pump and they will give us good amount of profit. You can see here that is the everyone can represent the 1 day price and the previous last 1 month price chart. You can see here now on this on the screen, my friends. Now as I told you, my friends, in the start of June, so it is the start of June, 1st June price. At the start of June, the price is decreased. You can see the red green candle represent the profit of the Cardano Ada. So now the June is the jumping month of the Cardano Ada, and I hope if you hold, so you will get a good amount of profit from the Cardano, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Cardano? Please tell me in the comment box. And my personal opinion, my personal suggestion for everyone is that it's time to hold, that you said, because now it is the beginning of month. In the beginning of month, they never said any cryptocurrencies, not only Cardano, never said any cryptocurrencies, because in the start of month every cryptocurrency is jumping. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.